Every time you visit a site, something in the background is trying to follow you to the next one. Chrome actually has one setting that stops most of it, already sitting in your browser, no extension needed. Block third-party cookies. That is the core of the fix, and it takes about 30 seconds. The rest of this video is what that setting actually does. A second privacy control that quietly disappeared from Chrome without Google ever announcing it, and the one place people accidentally break a site by blocking cookies. Quick context, because the word tracking gets used loosely. A site you are on right now can only see what you do on that site, and that part is normal. It is how logins and shopping carts work at all. The part that counts as tracking is when a completely different company, one you never visited directly, gets to see you moving across many sites. That happens through third-party cookies dropped by ad networks. Chrome Story has covered what cookies are and how the accept banners work in an earlier video, so this one skips straight to shutting the tracking part off. Start with third-party cookies because blocking these does the most work for the least effort. Open Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Third-Party Cookies. You can also type it directly, chrome://settings/cookies and hit enter. You will see two choices, allow third-party cookies or block third-party cookies. Switch it to block. That one toggle stops other companies' cookies from following you from site to site, while your own logins and shopping carts on each individual site keep working exactly the same, because those use first-party cookies and this setting does not touch those at all. Chrome also keeps an exceptions list right below the toggle. If a specific site breaks after you block this, an embedded payment form or a login widget that will not load, add that one site to the exceptions list instead of turning the whole block back off. Worth knowing before you move on. Chrome already blocks third-party cookies by default inside Incognito mode. Every Incognito window starts with that protection turned on automatically. Regular browsing does not inherit that default. Chrome leaves it set to allow there until you change it yourself, which is exactly why this setting is worth changing once in your normal window, instead of only getting the protection when you remember to open a private one. If Incognito is the only place you have this on, you are unprotected the other 90% of the time you are actually using Chrome. The second setting used to be Ad Privacy, three toggles called Ad Topics, Site Suggested Ads, and Ad Measurement, sitting under Settings, Privacy, and Security. As of Chrome 150, that page is gone. Type chrome://settings/ad privacy and current Chrome just redirects you back to the main settings page. No announcement, no mention in the release notes, it simply stopped being there. Google has been retiring the privacy sandbox systems behind those toggles since late last year, so there is nothing left to switch off on your end. If you are still on an older Chrome build and that page does load for you, turn all three off. It will not hurt anything. On a current, up-to-date Chrome, you can skip this one entirely. The setting that actually matters is the third-party cookies toggle you already changed. If you want to see what has already been collected before you changed anything, there is one more page worth a look. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, and near the bottom, View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. This lists every site Chrome has stored something for, permissions like location or notifications, and site data like cookies. Search for a site you barely remember visiting, and there is a good chance it still has stored data sitting there. Click into any entry to see exactly what permissions it has and clear its data individually, or use the reset option if you would rather start that one site from zero. This is the diagnostic step. It does not stop new tracking. It shows you what is left over from before you changed the other two settings. One honest limit before you consider this closed out. Blocking third-party cookies and turning off ad privacy sharing stops the tracking methods those specific settings control. It does not stop a site from recognizing your device by other signals, screen size, fonts installed, that kind of fingerprinting. And Chrome does not have a single toggle on the regular browsing profile that eliminates that entirely. It also does not stop Google from knowing what you searched or watched while you are signed in. That is a separate account level setting, not a browser setting. Treat this video as closing the browser level door, not every door there is. So to recap, settings, privacy and security, third-party cookies, switch it to block. That is the one setting that matters most. Add privacy used to be a second lever. Chrome quietly removed that settings page, so there is nothing left to toggle there anymore. If a site breaks after blocking cookies, add it to the exceptions list instead of undoing the whole block. And check view permissions and data stored across sites if you want to see what is already there. 30 seconds, one setting, most of the tracking Chrome actually controls. This is chromestory.com, decoding everything Chrome since 2009. Subscribe because this is Chrome explained properly.